In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Meet to Calendly. If you want your invitees to automatically receive a Google Meet link when they book time with you, this setup is quick and very useful. Once connected, Calendly can add Google Meet as the meeting location for your event types, helping you save time and avoid manually creating video calls. To get started, log into your Calendly account. After you're signed in, look over to the left sidebar and click on Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly lets you connect with other tools and services you use for scheduling and meetings. Once you're on the Integrations page, use the search bar to look for Google Meet. When it appears in the results, select Google Meet from the Integrations list to open its connection page. Then click Connect to begin linking your account. At this point, you'll be asked to sign into your Google account. Make sure you choose the account you want to use for hosting meetings. After signing in, Google will show you a permissions screen. Take a moment to review the requested permissions, then click Allow to continue. These permissions are needed so Calendly can create and assign Google Meet links correctly when someone schedules with you. After that, give it a few seconds while Calendly finishes the connection. Wait for the confirmation message that lets you know Google Meet has been successfully connected. That confirmation is important because it tells you the integration is active and ready to use. Now that the connection is complete, the next part is applying Google Meet to the event type you want people to book. Open the event type you want to use. Inside that event's settings, find the location section and select Google Meet as the meeting location. This tells Calendly to automatically generate a Google Meet link for that specific event type. Once you've selected Google Meet, click Save Changes. That final step makes sure your update is applied, so future bookings for that event will include the correct video meeting link. And that's it. Your Calendly account is now connected to Google Meet, and your chosen event type is set up to use it. If you use multiple event types, remember that you may need to repeat the location setting for each one you want to host on Google Meet. Thanks for watching.